Salut class! Okay, we're going to continue today's lesson with our bark lesson today for fourth period. So for our team building activity, I'm going to combine questions 1 and 2. I want you to think of your favorite color and what that describes about you. So my favorite color is green, and for me, green kind of represents nature, and I love to do everything outdoors and in nature. I love to hike, camp, bike, play soccer. So feel free to hit pause, think of your favorite color and what that represents about you. And feel free, you can play this game later with your friends, your brother, sister, parents, grandparents. It's super fun. All right, we're going to continue with today's word, accountable. Now remember that accountable means that we're completing tasks on time, we're staying on top of assignments, sharing and collaborating. You create a schedule or space to complete assignments, plug in devices and have everything charged. And remember, only teachers can record and share class lessons, and keep breakout discussions chat on topic. I know it can be really tempting to want to check in with all your friends, but remember, when we're in class mode, everything needs to be about class. If I ever say we can hang out for a few minutes after class or during a break to chat, that's when you can feel free to have some conversations off topic. All right. Now looking at this list here, I want you to pick one thing that you think might be a little challenging for you to accomplish online. So which accountable expectation do you think will be the most challenging for you personally? And think of ways to address it. All right, so go ahead, hit pause. You can write this in a notebook, or you can just think about it and you can share it with me in an email or in class next time. Or you can keep it to yourself, and maybe in a few weeks you will take a look at it and you say, oh, I think that completing tasks on time will be really difficult. You can check in 3-4 weeks and you can see how you've done with that task. All right, we're going to move on to our video here. All right.
Hey, I wanted to share something super exciting. Responsibility means plan ahead, set a good example, and do your best. Responsibility, doing what you committed to. You can be a good example when you work hard to stay focused. When you plan ahead and are accountable for your results, you can be proud of yourself. You can make a difference. Responsibility matters.
All right, awesome. So I want you to share one word that you associate with accountability. And you can write it down, and again, we can share these next class. You can put it down next to the note about accountability that you want to work on, and just keep that in mind as we're going through our virtual school year. All right, now moving on, a few class-related notes. For Thursday, no, say for Friday, désolé class. For Friday, you're going to download the Google Chrome extension, Nod. Right, so you can click this link here. I'll be sharing this slide, and I already have it installed, but I want you to go ahead and you'll see this blue bar here to install it. And this will help you that you can give a thumbs up, you can raise a hand to ask a question, you can mute yourself, anything like that. So that'll really help us in our classroom. All right. And for Friday's class, don't forget, after you watch this video, you need to log on to Google Classroom, and there's a Google form on Bark and a few things we did from our live class that you need to answer. And also gather your materials for a French class. It means a notebook, spiral notebook, composition notebook, any of those three, or even just, a binder full of paper, pen or pencil, and then headphones if you have them as well. All right. À vendredi. Don't hesitate if you have any questions to send me an email. Merci.